Hi guys, welcome to my mom's channel. Today we are going to opening up this Hatchimal right here. And I got this for my birthday. This is my first ever Hatchimal. I'm so excited. So let's get started. So there's tape here. Okay. Next tape. Oopsie. Yeah. Okay, so there's a box with plastic. Ow. Box with plastic. Can you get this out of here? Sorry. Okay, let's just get the box. Okay, finally did it. There's a box, plastic to protect it. Probably, I'm thinking. Didn't protect that well. If you don't see this, yeah, broke. So there's tape. Let's see if I can bring this up. And we got a Hatchimals! Oh, I got this thing. This egg was like so fragile.
So what do we do with it now?
Back here, I think you.
Well, get those out the way first. Yeah.
It's okay. You gotta spin this. So just take this paper off. Yeah. Spin it off, I think. Okay, I got it. Sorry. So, gotta spin it up, I think. Oh no. Oh, you can hear it. So let's just do the same thing.
And then do you just leave it?
Well, if you look in this box, there's there's a packet of papers right there. So let's open up this bag. This is as I mentioned, this is my first ever Hatchimal, so I don't really know what to do. Okay, so they got this weird thing. Okay, they got it in different languages that I really don't. Let's look for English. English. Okay, English. So these are the stages. When you first get your Hatchimals egg out of the box, to turn it on, remove the twist locks. Okay, we already did that. Oh no. Okay. So, I'll sort of okay. This doesn't make sense.
What does it say, just to wait, or?
I don't think you just wait. Okay.
Let me see.
Here. Yeah. Hey. Hi. Do you like me? I'm your mother. Hello? And there's also another one. I think this is like a cheat sheet. So let's just look English again. Not English, not English, not English. Yay! think I found English. That ain't English. Okay. So, an egg. What it means? So, you see, what? So, flights are is listening. So you have to tap the egg. Hi. So basically, light color. So I think, hey.
Here it says, stage 1, pre-hatch. Tilt or touch to interact with your egg.
Play with it.
So tilt the egg to play with us. Tap on the egg and we will tap back. We can only hear you tap when we are quiet. Hold or rub the bottom of the egg to hear our heartbeats or warm us up. And then always rub the bottom of your egg.
Okay, so I'm gonna tap it. Listen.
Put it down, honey. Yeah!
Okay, so we're gonna keep him rubbing it. I can't hear its heartbeat.
It says hold or rub the bottom of the egg to hear our heartbeats or warm up. So maybe put the I don't know if you did put the bottom of it to your head. I don't know. But they're making a lot of noise, aren't they?
Yeah. It's like they're saying wee, wee. Oh, this is hard. At the bottom. Tap on. This is. It's just fun to do that. Hi. Hi.
No, I don't think it will talk back. Come on.
Can I just like smash it?
So you have to wait until it starts flashing rainbow eyes. It means we are ready to hatch. Says, don't worry, we cannot hatch without you there.
Sorry.
Rub the bottom of your egg to encourage us to start hatching. Keep the top of the egg away from your eyes and face. So put it down, hon. Move all those papers away.
Bye bye. Don't need you.
Don't let that thing go.
I won't.
Then so that was number 1.
Oh, I can see the
Number
fur from their holes.
Alright, put it down, honey. If you feel us stop moving and hear us start to snore, put us on a flat surface. Remove your hands from the egg, then pick us up again. When we have pushed through the top of the egg, we will sing Happy Birthday. But you've got to rub, as it says, rub the bottom of your egg to encourage us to the bottom.
I know it's the bottom.
To encourage us to start hatching.
So this is how you do it? Don't break it.
Rub the bottom, honey. Rub, 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 rub.
Hey, you ready? This ain't like the normal little eggs. Much harder. won't hear anything.
Do it back. Do it back.
What?
No. Do it in a pattern, see if they'll do it back.
Okay.
Rub the bottom, rub the bottom, rub the bottom.
Tilt and play with it. Maybe if I shake them out.
No, it says rub the bottom. Remember it says keep it away from your eyes and face.
Okay, that's weird.
So until you see the flashing,
They're starting! They're starting to come out.
no. You see any flashing rainbow
I
eyes?
feel vibration.
Until you see the what you call it? The flashing rainbow eyes. So you gotta keep rubbing, honey.
Are you seeing any lights? That might start. And it's coming out of this. Oh!
Leave it.
It's hatching!
Leave it. Put it down. Let it
No,
hatch.
I gotta rub it to help it hatch. I'm gonna rub it to help it hatch.
No, it says
It's not doing anything now.
it's coming out. It's coming out. Leave it now.
You don't see because it's just one final crack. Maybe I'm supposed to help it?
Yeah, you're supposed to pull the extra pieces of shell that might block your way.
Which one's? I got this one!
Can you move the extra pieces of shell? Don't take it out.
Where's the eyes?
I think you can pull the top one out. Turn it on so I can see it. Turn it.
There you go. Happy birthday to me. You can be free. These are just so cool. Let's just try this. Hi. Hi.
Why are you squashing the head?
Want to interact with each other? No. They went away. What if they went away?
So this is the actual diagram. So look at the diagram and then you can touch the different ones. So you have the head where you can touch it for, I think it says the head is a button for something, I'm not sure. And where there's a microphone.
There's a nose button.
There's a nose button.
There's also a head button.
So how do you...
Nose button.
Press the nose, let me see.
It turns... See, it turns it off and on. He's growing a neck, I think! No. Looks like he's growing... It looks like he's growing a neck. He's so happy.
Let me do instructions.
This is just so cool.
Alright, so tilt and hold. Tilt and hold the one of them.
Tilt.
And hold. Tilt and hold it at the tilt.
Tilt. Oh, okay.
Do it. Can you do tilt and hold, please?
Tilt.
See what it does. Okay, head press and stroke.
Head press.
And stroke. Then nose press.
Nose press. I think this just turns them off and on. What?
It makes them do funny.
Hi.
No, just do one at a time, honey. So we're doing the nose press, okay? So do the nose press. Tilt upside down and see what happens. Turn it this way so they can see. Just tilt it upside down and just leave it upside down.
It's crying.
And then clap a loud song.
Okay, I'll be with you. Do you feel sick?
So the different things you can do is tilt and hold, which she did.
Yeah.
Head press and stroke. Nose press. Tilt upside down and clap a loud sound. Do you want to try them again and do it? Just tilt it and hold it there. That's the first one. Tilt. That's not a tilt. That's an upside down. So tilt. Then head press and stroke. Only on one.
Okay, but you know on this, he's cold.
Look, he's moving his wings.
He is?
He just did it. Look.
Oh, she's cold. Because on here, see, her eyes are blue. So she's cold. So yeah.
Then we did the nose press and we did tilt upside down. Do the tilt upside down again. Let me see. Upside down. Tilt upside down.
Oh, yes. Just sings.
And then clap a loud sound.
They just stop.
They just stop. When you clap a loud sound, they just... What else is on this paper here?
It's like right here, and like baby, kid, toddler, how to grow them up, and then if their eyes are a certain color, like her eyes are blue.
So here we have it. If the eyes are pink, you listen for a heartbeat. If it's red, it means they're upset.
What about
Orange, it needs a burp. And it tells you what to do. Pat the bottom, rub the bottom, hold the bottom. Flashing orange means they've got hiccups. Tap on the egg. Yellow is curious, green is sick, blue is cold, white is sleepy. Lights off means they're listening.
Hey.
Well, that was in the egg. When the eggs are hatched, I think it's the same thing. But anyways, there you have it. So what's going on with them now? So this one's eyes are blue means they're cold. So you gotta warm her up. Yellow means curious, and a flashing purple means hungry.
How do you feed them?
I don't know.
I can't feed you. Where's she?
Alright.
When you put them face to face, they sing and play with each other. See, they're talking back and forth. One talks and then the other talks. See? Can I be in this conversation? Okay, they don't want me in it. Just try to talk. I got the graver ones.
I think that one's doing a lot of talking.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for this one to say something.
That's it for opening our Hatchimal toys box. See you next time. Bye.